Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up double circle rings. First, let's prepare. Before you begin, take a moment to understand the design and where your double circle rings will look best. Make sure you have all the parts, like the 2 rings, mounting hardware, and any electrical components. Also, confirm your chosen spot has enough room and a convenient power source for a smooth installation. Now, let's assemble the main structure. Gently unbox your rings and check them thoroughly for any imperfections. Next, connect the 2 circular frames together. Most kits use small screws or clips. Ensure these are tightened firmly for stability. If your rings include LED strips or other decorative pieces, carefully attach them now, following the specific instructions for proper alignment. With the rings assembled, it's time for mounting and wiring. Select a robust location, like a ceiling joist, that can easily hold the combined weight, which might be several pounds. Securely attach the mounting bracket using appropriate anchors. Then, carefully connect the electrical wires, matching live to live, neutral to neutral, and ground to ground, always ensuring the power is off at the breaker. Finally, let's make those finishing touches and test everything. Adjust the suspension cables or rods to achieve your desired height and angle, ensuring the rings are perfectly level. Turn on the power and test all lighting features, such as dimming capabilities and color temperature changes. Do a quick safety check, confirming all screws are tight and wires are neatly tucked away for a beautiful and secure setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.